Hi everyone, my name is Kimberly, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to set up a carpool with GoKid Connect on the iOS app. Let's get started. Once you open your GoKid app, click on the Find Families tab in the bottom menu. This will take you to the map view of your GoKid Schools location. Here, you'll be able to see your home location, nearby families to start carpooling with, and your school's location. In the list view, parents that live close by will automatically appear at the top of your list, but you can filter by distance, and by grade. To learn more about a family, like the names and grades of their children, simply navigate to the family you're interested in, click on their name, and you'll see more details. Once you've found some families that match your needs, you're ready to create a carpool. First, click on the green circle to select the families that you'd like to invite. We recommend inviting 2 to 3 families to your carpool. If you want, you can use the chat feature at the bottom to send a message to the selected families before creating a carpool. But if you're ready to proceed, click Create Carpool. Next, we'll fill out a few questions. So first, we'll name our carpool. Now you'll decide where the carpool is going to and from. Typically, this starts at each child's home and goes to a single destination, but you can customize this however you need. So we'll start with where this carpool is coming from, and then select where this carpool's destination should be. From here, let's set the date and time. If this is a reoccurring ride, click Repeat Options. Here, you can set it to repeat daily, just on weekdays, or weekly on specific days. Make the appropriate selection for your carpool. Then you'll select when this reoccurring carpool should end. Select Create Return Trip to schedule a returning trip. You can leave this section unselected if it's just a one-way carpool. Now you're ready for the final step. On this screen, you'll see the parents you have already selected from your school's map. You can add additional parents that you might know by clicking the green plus button and adding their emails here. Once you've selected your invitees, you can add a custom message or use the pre-filled message from GoKid. Take one last look at your carpool. If everything looks great, go ahead and hit Send Invites. Your carpool is now created and invitations are on their way. As your invitees accept, you'll get notified and everyone will see the carpool on their schedules. Now it's time to volunteer to drive on some days. You can do this by clicking on the red Drive button on the days that you're available. Don't forget to fill out the information in your profile so that other families can more easily connect with you. And that's it. Your first carpool with GoKid Connect is ready. Happy carpooling!